2015. The slide shows the data on the respondent age were graded. There are 3 age range in this survey. 46 respondents between 18 to 20 years old. 70 students at the age of 21 to 23 years old. And 24 to 25 years old have 2 students. In this slide show the number of respondents that belongs to which department. There are half of respondents belongs to department JKE, 19 students belongs to department JP, 5 students belongs to department JKM, and the lowest number of the students from department JTMK and JMSK with only 4 students. The pie chart shows the reason why the respondents prefer walking. There are 3 choices, which are: I can save my expenses, I feel it's comfortable, and because nearby. The largest percentage, almost a half of respondents, choose I can save my expenses. The second higher is I feel it's comfortable, about 28%. And the lowest number of respondents choose because nearby, about 23%. The pie chart shows illustrated the result of how many did you expense of your transportation per month. There are 3 choices, which are 100 ringgit, 200 ringgit, and more than 300 ringgit. In this pie chart, it's clear the highest percentage of respondents, 48%, will choose 100 ringgit. Next, the number of the respondents spent about 200 ringgit make up more than a quarter in the total pie chart, which consists 9/25. Only a small minority of the respondents, 50%, will choose more than 300 ringgit.
The pie chart illustrates the result of a survey where respondents asked about the type of public transportation used by students to commute to campus. Overall, there are 3 choices of opinion, which are Grab, bus, and others. From the pie chart, the largest segment, or more than half of the respondents, will use Grab as their public transportation. This is followed by under a fifth of respondents, about 17%, stated that they will use bus as their public transportation. More, the segment of others is nearly similar to the segment of bus, about 16%. It can be concluded that the majority of the students prefer Grab as their public transportation. The pie chart illustrates the result of a survey which respondents were asked about the duration for students commute to the campus. There are 3 choices of opinion, which are 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and more than 30 minutes. From the pie chart, it is clear that the highest number of respondents is 41%, will travel about 15 minutes, followed by just over a third of respondents stated that they will travel about more than 30 minutes. Meanwhile, respondents travel about 30 minutes, made up under a third. From the total pie chart consists of 25%. It can be concluded that the majority of the respondents will travel 15 minutes to the campus. The chart illustrates the result of a survey which respondents were asked about do students feel affordable with the daily usage of the transportation to the campus. There are 3 choices of opinion, which are yes, no, and maybe. From the pie chart, it is clear that the highest number of respondents will consist of 35%. Respond no for the questionnaire. This is followed by over than a third of respondents, consists of 33%, will respond yes. Meanwhile, the segment of maybe, made up nearly similar to the segment of yes, is upon 32%. It can be concluded that the majority of the students is not much affordable with the daily usage of transportation to the campus.
Good morning. My name is Shirin Christ, son of Lawrence. Metric number 10DEE 18 2022. Craft the show Where Do You Come From to Polytechnic. There are three choices: hostel, own house, and homestay. The majority vote to own house is the 31 votes and 24 votes for hostel and 10 votes for homestay. It can be a conglomerate. The majority of the response for the own house. Illustrate the result of the survey, in which response we ask about to student affordable with the daily usage of the transportation to the campus. There are three choices of opinion, which are no, yes, and maybe. From the pie chart, clear the highest number of the response considers of the 35% and we respond on from the questionnaire. This is followed by just over the third from the response consider of 33%. We respond yes. Meanwhile, is a segment of the maybe made up the nearly similar to the segment of X is the about 32%. It can be a conclude the majority of the response or students not affordable with the daily usage from transportation to the campus. Okay, the pie chart illustrates the result of the survey, which are response we ask about the duration of the student commute to the campus. There are three choices for opinion, which are 20 minutes, 50 minutes, and more than 30 minutes. From the pie chart, we clearly that highest number of response consider of the 41%. We travel about the 50 minutes. This is the followed by just over the third response we start. They can travel more than 30 minutes, while the response travel about 20 minutes made up the under a third from the total pie chart considered of the 25%. Can be calculate the majority of the response student we are travel 50 minutes to campus.
Hi, my name is Augustine, son of Robert. My matric number is 10DE 18F2037. The bar chart shows number of respondents for the survey transportation of polytechnic students. From the graph, we clearly can identify the highest respondent are female, which is 37 people. Reason behind this, our polytechnic have more female students rather than male students that using on transportation. Without wasting my time, let me continue with semester of students that involved and take this survey. The lowest respondent of the bar chart is around 1. Respondent is semester 1. Students is most often compulsory have to stay in hostel and not necessarily use transportation. Between semester 4 students are the highest respondent, which is around 25 people, and most of them are staying in Red House nearby Polytechnic that use on transportation, while semester 3 was dropped the second highest respondent, slightly different around 8 respondents from semester 4. In a nutshell, semester 2 and semester 5 respondents constantly about 9 people. Here's the pie chart for the type of own transportation that students prefer. The higher percentage of this pie chart is 58%, which is car that students prefer the most. Reason is it's more comfortable and safety. However, motorcycle is second highest percentage in this pie chart, around 31%, cause it saves the time taken of reach destination on time. Besides that, 11% of respondents prefer other option, which is about public transportation. It saves the expenses of transportation.